How to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on device care. After that, tap on battery. Then we scroll down and tap on wireless power sharing. At the top here, tap on the on or off toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once it is turned on, your phone is ready to charge. Instead, put the center of the phone back to back with another device. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, there is a battery limit here that you can change. So at the moment it's gray out, so let's see if I switch it off. So if I switch it off, I can now change it. So I can change it to say 50%. So once my battery goes down to 50%, it will stop wireless power sharing. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So we can try it out here. I can place it back to the iPhone. So back to back. So I just maybe need to log in to this phone. So here's showing your phone battery charging now. So the phone is now charging. So if I go over here, and it shows the iPhone is now charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.